Hello everyone, look what came in my mailbox today, the new paper pumpkin. So I'm going to unbox it right here live with you guys. This month was a distinctive stamp set with a gray granite ink spot. As you can see, my tissue paper is pristine. I have not even unfolded it. Oh, what a beautiful set. What a beautiful stamp set. And the sentiments are happy birthday, thinking of you, congratulations, happy Mother's Day for you, best wishes. And that's a little grunge. And thank you even. And look at that flower, so beautiful. So let's see what all comes in this package. These kits, if there are any extra available, should be in my online store on Monday or Tuesday. It's usually the week after the paper pumpkin starts arriving. They want to make sure everyone gets their kit before they offer refills for sale. Oh, and this actually comes with a gift box. So, you know, if you want to give this set of cards as a gift, how awesome is that? See, there's the gift box, and you can decorate the gift box. That's what this plastic sleeve is. There's all the tags, some corrugated envelopes. Okay, so these are more of a note card size, but they're still actually large enough to be mailed. Yeah, there's 9 cards, or perfect to attach with a gift. So yeah, you've got these beautiful backgrounds already on. There's like newsprint, a yellow print, and then a gray granite print. Gray granite is one of my favorite new colors. And these are the 3 different card designs you can make. Since I have a block here from yesterday's video, let's just stamp one of these flowers so I can show you how awesome. That's what these little pieces are. Like, this is that piece right there. So I'm going to stamp one of these flowers in the corner. Hopefully I'm keeping this on camera for you guys. As you can see, my video skills need some work. This is just kind of an impromptu video since the mailman literally dropped this off at my door 5 seconds ago, and I just logged off from work. So I was like, I need to just... One of the tricks with the distinctive stamp is to not get too much ink, because the detail on this stamp is so refined that if there's too much ink, you don't get a very good image. And like there, I've got a little too much ink. That's one great thing I love about our grid paper. You can stamp off. So I'm just going to really lightly ink that, which you can use sponge daubers too to lightly ink. Okay, we're going to go for it this time. Yeah, that's not the best either. Sometimes it takes a few times to get your stamp conditioned to give you the image you need. Let's try one of the leaves. Just light. Now the leaf turned out pretty good. And if you have other, oh yeah, the leaf is turning out really nice. It may be because I don't have a soft surface under here. I'm stamping directly to my countertop. But anyway, this is a sneak peek at the kit. You get dimensionals, twine, the little droplets. I love this corrugated. That's what goes around the box. Look at those gorgeous little droplets to use. You get dimensionals, glue dots. The kit is really a great value. So anyway, that's our paper pumpkin kit. Make sure you subscribe if you want to buy a past kit, and subscribe by May 10th, and there's going to be a special Sew Shelly kit, which that was on the blog a few days ago, and it's also down at the bottom of my blog and will be every day until the deadline. So happy stamping! Thanks.